everyone, welcome back to my channel. I recorded this video right after the last week's video which you watched. I assume you've already watched it. If not, go watch it. So this is a indoor slash outdoor date idea, solo date idea which you can do on your own, and it is very interesting if you like wait, I'll give you 5 seconds and you can guess what I'm looking at. On the right side of the table, kept that thing there. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it is a book. You can read a book, and that's the solo idea for today. Uh, okay, I'll tell you how this idea came to my mind, and I'll tell you everything. Okay, okay, चलो start करते हैं. So this is a book. You can see me and those two lines which I talked to you about in the last video of my screen. I'm still recording in this phone. I've not figured out कि क्या करना है मुझे आगे, but yeah. Anyway, so this is a book named Hopeless, and it is by the writer Colin Hoover, and she is a wonderful writer. I have read her last book, which is It Ends With Us, and the movie is gonna come out in August. I am super excited. I want to go watch that movie. Maybe I'll go on a solo day to watch that movie because वो book Colin Hoover ने ऐसे लिखी थी ना. I was so hooked to the book. I finished that book in 3 days. So yeah, of course I started that book on a weekend, and then I ended up reading entire book in just 3 days times. Friday start करा था, and then Sunday तक it was all over. My God, I felt so many emotions while reading that book. I thought it's a romantic love story book, but it's not. If you want to read a book and you want to start with something which will keep you hooked, there are self-help books which are to be read on a slow pace. अगर तुम्हें self-help book पढ़नी है ना, तो take your time, read one chapter, imbibe everything, understand, apply it in your life, and like that. But अगर तुम rom-com books पढ़ रहे हो, or you are reading a fictional or a story book, then I must say, if it's an interesting book, you will finish it in a week's time. If you're not a reader or a non-reader, I'm not a full-fledged reader, but yeah, I like to read books. I have read a couple of books. At least 10 books तो पढ़ी होंगी मैंने अब तक. From my college time में I started reading books very late. I enjoy reading self-help books, but ever since I have read It Ends With Us, oh my God, I think I want to read all of Colin Hoover's book, and I hope I'm pronouncing her name right. If not, then okay, happens. मेरा नाम तो सब गलत ही pronounce करते हैं. मतलब in my office, in my team, everyone, I have a gazillion gazillion थोड़ा ज़्यादा जाएगा, but of course I have hundreds of combination of name. Like recently I've got a very cute pet name in my office, which is Anvi, and I absolutely love it. But otherwise, Ambiksha and whatnot, my God, just it starts with A, it ends with A sometimes, and there are number of permutation and combination of spellings which of my name, which is used to call out me at the office or on a Teams call. तो हो जाता है कि people guess it in the first one. After, I understand they are not from the same, few of my colleagues are not from the same country, but even after telling them कि हाँ भाई मेरा नाम ऐसे pronounce करते हैं, still they pronounce it wrong. So my team gave me, not my team, but I went on a trip, Manali trip. वहाँ पे a group of friends gave me a name Anvi, and from that I gave that name to my office team members कि तुम मुझे Anvi बुला लो. It's a very simple, easy name, and ever since they are calling me Anvi. It's an official name at the office. The team I'm working in right now. Okay, so any further without ado, we'll start reading this. Jump into this beautiful book by Colin Hoover. I think I will clip on my mic here because I'm gonna use my hands to open the book. So this is a gift by my friends, एंड देख लो तुम लोग, अनबॉक्सिंग भी हो रही है कैमरा के सामने। मैंने वो लोग को ना इट एंड्स विद अस मांगा था कि मुझे वो पढ़ने के लिए दो, बट वो हो नहीं पाया बिकॉज उनको बुक मिली नहीं शायद से, पता नहीं क्या हुआ, और या फिर उन्हें वो नाम नहीं याद होगा। बट माय गॉड, द स्मेल ऑफ अ न्यू बुक. Okay, so this is the book which I am gonna indulge, at least read one chapter and then let's see कि book के पीछे क्या लिखा है, what this book is about. I'll read that out. Emotional scars and find a way to live and love without boundaries. Okay, this is a bit complex. मतलब the first 3 paragraphs which is written on the back side of the book is a bit complex, but it seems like there's a girl, Sky Davis, Davis, whatever you say. तो Sky करके एक लड़की है. She is homeschooled. Okay, so it seems a book or must be a story between Sky and Dean Holder. Sky is always been homeschooled and always kept a low profile, and there's a Dean Holder who has messy brown hair, smoldering blue eyes, a temper straight out of Fight Club. Someone who Sky is determined to avoid. So Sky doesn't want to, be involved in any conversation with Dean Holder. But the second paragraph says there is something about Holder that sparks memories of Sky's troubled past. Those which she would rather stay buried. She doesn't want those past memories to be, back alive. Little does she knows that the mysterious Dean Holder is harboring secrets of his own. When the truth unravels, Sky must piece her life back together and learn to trust again. Only by facing the revelation together can the two begin to heal their emotional scars and find a way to live and love without boundaries. Okay, so it means that Dean Holder had some past, Sky Davis had some past, and now they are in a way together, and this is what his story is gonna be about, Hopeless. And okay, let's read a praise from Hopeless, for Hopeless from a fan. This story takes many unexpected twists and turn, which with each one takes a little more of your heart. To read this book is to love it. Jem wrote that, and I must say, this writer, she does magic. I mean, she writes so well that you will be hooked to the book. Next, Colin Hoover draws you in, makes you love the character, and then turns your emotions upside down and inside out. Loved it, Kath. Read it, fall in love, spread passion. Okay. The book is about dark secrets, devastating truths, and all-consuming love. So I am I am interested to read this book. I'll read one chapter offline and then update you guys how it's going. And yeah, I stand up, look down at the bed, holding my breath in fear of sounds that are escalating from deep within my throat. Okay, chapter 1 done. Chapter 1 seems like a day's note or a letter of a day or just journaling. When you journal, so at 7:30 p.m., 7:29 p.m. actually, October 28th, 2020, 2012, Sunday. So she wrote something which says that she is sobbing, crying, in bad emotions, but there's someone in the room with her. She even broke the glass mirror. She was looking at the mirror. I mean, I'll just read that sentence out and you will know how this writer writes, okay? So it starts from here, okay? The mirror thing. I watch as the girl in the mirror stares back at me, sobbing pathetically. The weakness in her tears infuriates me. We begin to run towards each other until our fists collide against the glass, smashing the mirror. I watch as she falls into million shiny pieces onto the carpet. I grip the edge of the dresser and push it sideways, letting out another scream that has been pent up for way too long. When the dresser comes to rest on its back, I rip open the drawer and throw the contents across the room, spinning and throwing and kicking everything in my path. I grab at the sheer blue curtain panel and yank them until the rod snaps and curtain falls around me. I reach over I reach over to the boxes piled high in the corner without even knowing what's inside. I take the top one, throw it against the wall with as much as force as my 5 foot 3 inch frame can muster. I hate you, I cry. I hate you, I hate you, I hate you. I'm throwing whatever I can find in front of me, whatever else I can find in front of me. Every time I open my mouth to scream, I taste the salt from the tears that are screaming down my cheeks. Holder, Holder's arm suddenly engulfed. Holder, the Dean Holder I talked about. Holder's arm suddenly engulfed me from behind, gripped me so tightly I become immobile. I jerk and toss and scream some more until my actions are no longer thought out. They're just reactions. Stop, he says calmly against. Okay, stop. He says calmly against my ears, unwilling to release me. I hear him, but I pretend not to, or I just don't care. I continue to struggle against his grasp, but he only tightens his grip. Don't touch me, I yell at the top of my lungs, crawling at his arm. Again, it doesn't faze him. Don't touch me, please. Please, please. The small voice echoes in my mind, and I immediately become limp in his arm. I became weaker, and my tears grow stronger. Consuming me, I become nothing more than a vessel for the tears that won't stop shedding. I'm weak, and I'm letting him win. Holder loosens his grip around me and places his hand on my shoulder, then turns me around to face him. I don't even look at him. I melt against his chest from exhaustion and defeat, taking in fistful of his shirt as I sob, my cheeks pressed against his heart. He places his hand on the back of my head and lowers his mouth to my ear. Sky. His voice is steady and unaffected. You need to leave now. So I assume there's a lot happening, must have happened, and that's why there's this discussion, there's a fight, there's this anger, frustration in the first chapter. So you know what I mean, right? You need to, indulge in such type of engaging books if you want to read more. Yeah, I had the best time reading the first chapter. I'm looking forward to the entire book, and this is another solo date idea. You just need a book in yourself, and you can imagine entire movie happening in your head. You can imagine Sky's picture, how Sky looks like, how Dean Holder look like. Just another date idea. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked reading the first chapter with me. I'm gonna read entire book and then give you a quick review. Maybe not a that won't be considered as a date idea, but yeah, I'll give you a quick review of this book. I Just let me know in the comments if you want that. If not, then I won't. But yeah, seems like an interesting book, and that's all. If you like this video, if you like the idea of the solo date, go on one with yourself and like this video, comment down your thoughts. subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share it with your friends. And yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Tata. See you.